Congratulations on downloading the Soza Health Analytics by 2SMS content pack. This video will explain to you how to navigate to your Power BI dashboard and reports. It will also explain where to get help. Installation requires a procedure to be followed, which is outlined at www.sozahealth.com/Power BI. On loading the solution, you'll see a dashboard in front of you. The dashboard is split into sections. I'll now show you each section. At the top, you'll see your organization summary information. This section shows some key metrics, including overall health scores for your organization, areas to focus, and other key metrics. Each data tile is clickable. Click on it to get the underlying report where you can explore and drill down. I will show more on this later. Moving on, you'll see areas for splits by age, gender differences, and ethnicity differences. We finish up a section showing some metadata. Remember, you can click on any data tile to get the report. Now we move on to the report. Click on any data tile on the dashboard. Welcome to the report. This report has more detail than the template. You can use the tabs at the bottom to move to different sections. First up, organizational summary. Here we list some key health metrics for your organization. Next up, health scores. The page analyzes the single health score we provide each individual. Remember that all health data is anonymized. Note that by clicking on male or female or on any of the ethnicity choices, you can drill into information. You can re-click the button again to go back to the original results. Now we move on to where to focus. This section highlights health issues that affect your people and therefore affect your business. Note the gender differences. Next, we look at health categories. Here, we drill down a level from the single health score we give to each customer and look at the constituent components of that score. Remember, you can click on gender or ethnicity to drill into detail. The next slide has the same data as the last but shown in a different way. Look how we select to look at Caucasian males. Next, we drill down into subcategories, another level of detail presented in two ways. Almost done. We now look at some key health readings taken to identify any issues. So that's it. Please have a play around with the data. It's read-only, so you can't break anything. Remember that you can look at this on any Apple or Android device. You can do this by downloading the Power BI app, which you can download using the App Store or Google Play. You can get support from www.sozahealth.com/analytics or visit our contact page at www.sozahealth.com/contact. And finally, any comments, feedback, or even bugs, please let us know. This solution will see further development. And a word of thanks to the developers at Soza Health and 2SMS. Thank you.